nya na kumba ai na se na kponyere m ụkwụ abịara m be gị ga-esi m kponyere gị ụkwụ. Escort me. Give me a leg. Yes. See me off. Yes. Walk me. Yes. Is it escort me? Escort cabo. Well, how about escort? Escort. So escort is a verb. Escort, the noun. Now, to escort may mean that there's a problem, you need protection, and somebody is looking to, protect you from harm, from trouble, and then for that reason, you are going to be escorted, probably by the police or any armed person, a protector of some sort. But if you're a woman and you don't need to walk into a place without a man, say a restaurant or a hotel or some kind of party, you get your escort. That escort is not about protecting you. It's the man that dignifies your personality as a woman. That's that. What can do your escort? Then you go na Ghana bank. Mabu na ibu onye ama a politician or onye awra dianga as no onye awrike abachi enkete ndi origa abezu yori ma wana ndi kidnappers ga bi polia as keji escort on cab escort. Mabu na mbege I am paying you a visit. You don't escort me. You see me off. Or you walk me, or you walk me, you see me off, or you give me a leg. You give me a leg. So kind of die. Come on again, stop escorting me. I'm not escorting you. Come and escort me. No. Come and give me a leg. 1. Come and see me off. 2. Come and walk me. 3. That was number 25. Now, number 26. I will say, Enokwa. Enokwa. Can you imagine? In Nigerian English, Enokwa. Can you imagine? Messi, can you imagine? Can you imagine the American English? That verb, imagine, a transitive verb. So, you guys begin. Can you imagine that? That is the object of the verb imagine. Because it's a transitive verb. I wouldn't know about Kenya, imagine okay. Don't say imagine. You could say about mention what you imagine. Imagine that. Imagine okay. Imagine this man. Can you imagine that? Imagine this man. Imagine okay. Imagine. But over in the US, I'm up there. I can say, imagine. I can say, correct in America. Imagine that. Correct in the in the UK. Thank you very much. I got for me also Diego. Ubua, I need a get for me how to use or translate alumni, alumni, alumnus, and alumni again. I know because it was some mother. I go na school la, muoke. I go to school muoke. Ibu an alumnus of the school, but alumni, alumni. Ayacharema. Ana ju umaka here na jam, na ju na WAEC, na ju na university. Oge shike di Jakarta, what women ask alumni, alumni. As a former student of a place. Until wrong, you're gonna say, I'm an alumna, alumnus, alumni, Amaran Kogao. ka o ruo echi gị sụọ Igbo gị gosi na agwala m akwụkwọ gụchaa akwụkwọ ọfụma maka ngwa otu esi eme ya. Na ihe edere ebe a, the first question bụ, remember anyị sị na ihe a bụ how to use or translate alumni, alumnus, and alumni again from Igbo grammar to English grammar. And I say, 1. Igbo say, agụrụ m na school ụmụ nwoke CKC, boys school. Onye gụrụ na boys school na ihe ị ga-ekwu. Note, alumna, in English, I am an alumnus of CKC, meaning that an alumnus, an old boy of a school. Okay. I'm an alumnus of CKC. Even though why, I got a bit different thing. We'll see that now. So let's see how it works. Alumna, a former female student of a school. I'm an alumna of QRC, girls' school. Even every good school, as you're an alumnus of that school. I am an alumnus of CKC, boys' school. I am an alumna, nke nwaanyị, go to school there too. Alumnus, nke nwoke, go to school there too. Now, pay attention. Now, nwoke, nwaanyị abụọ, adị m nwaanyị abụọ sị na ya go to school. Case I said bekee, we are alumni, spelling here, ALUMNEA, alumni, plural. Alumna, singular. One, you to go to school, obla, go school, otu one about alumna. I'm an alumna of QRC. All the day, boy, you see, we are alumni of QRC. Mona guy, but 2 girls. Gabazikwa. Adi Tony Money said in 100. We are alumni of CKC. We are. I am an alumna of girls of our QRC. An alumna of QRC. We are alumni of QRC. Irene. Now, I'm an alumnus of CKC. Alumnus. Okay. I'll say alumnus. This is a former male student of a school or college. Obi is an alumnus of CKC. Okay. I will see alumni. These are former males of a school. Okay. Ebua Gabazia. I am an alumni. Sorry, we are alumni of CKC. Means na I don't work Ebua to Gabazia go to CKC. They can do it. Otu one you go to school. Why? What school mixed school? School why? Yeah, but now an alumna of a school. How many women why about going to school? How about alumni of a school? Or to why you go to school why? Alumna. Or why you go to school why? Alumni. Let me give you an instance here. It says, note, alumna. This is a former woman student of a school or college. B, alumni, as in Amaka and Ada are alumni of QRC. So, I say, alumna, both one you go to school to do. Why they bro? Alumni, more rabo. I say, okay. C, I see, alumni. These are former male and female students of a school or college. You go to a mixed school. I'm not one alumni. Look at the spelling. Look at the spelling. A-L-U-M-N-I, alumni. A-L-U-M-N-I, alumni. I say, these are former male and female students of a school or college. Means it's a mixed school. So you go to a mixed school, you say, Okeke and Amaka are alumni of Prince Memorial School or Washington Memorial School. Any school, but a mixed school. Ogabo, alumni. When again, DC alumnus. Alumnus, this is a former male student of a school or college. Obi is an alumnus of CKC, boys' school. Obi is an alumnus of CKC, boys' school. When again, EUSC, alumni again. See, alumni comes twice. Alumni again, these are former males or male students of a school or college. It's all the CKC. Only they born in Tagonia. On the alumni of, so CKC is holding their alumni association, meaning those boys who studied in one school like that, in a boys' school. So let me repeat this finally. Alumna, this is former woman student of a school or college, of whom I go to school. Alumni, why you never go to school? Why? C, alumni. Working of why you go to school day too. I say these are former male and female students of a school or college, e.g., Obi and Ada are alumni of Placement Memorial School. D, alumnus. What to work go to school level school work? What to work about alumnus? I am an alumnus of CKC Boys School. I did what they thought going to school work. We are alumni of CKC. I move where number 2 na EMD awesi. Kede bi na agwa akoko. Na beke bi na jira oswa. Where are you schooling? That's bad English. British English word sige. Which school do you attend? Correct. Which school do you go to? Correct. In Agua, you go to school? Are you schooling? Are you going to school? That's bad English. In Agua, which school do you attend? Which school do you go or do you go to? That's it. So, now, Igbo, number 3, what's it? In Agua, number 3, Diaba. Nigerian English, are you schooling? Bad English. Are you schooling? Are you schooling? Bad English. British English name always say, did you go to school? Or you go to school? She says, I go to school. Say, which one? I'm coming to America. I'll do Edinburgh. See, I think it was one of Lisa's sister. Did I say, what do you do? I say, I go to the university. I say, which one? The University of the United States. Because I say, well, I never heard of that. You go to school, what do? I say, I go to the university. I say, which one? I said, the University of the United States. So you go to school, you're not schooling. Now, pay attention. Let me finish before I get that. I see, the number 4, see, I go to CKC. Nigerian English. I schooled at CKC. That's bad English. Correct English, British English was saying, I studied at CKC, that's what it should be. Or, you say, I went to CKC. Correct. Or, you say, I am an old boy of CKC. That's correct. Or, you say, I attended CKC. But two, I am schooling at CKC. No. I schooled at CKC. No. Schooling has a synonym. It is education. Who is paying for your school? Or sorry, who is paying for your schooling? Who is paying for your education? That's what it should be. So schooling, S-C-H-O-L-I-N-G, schooling. That's education, a synonym. Who is paying for your schooling? My father. Who is paying for your education? Your father. That's it. Then you're going to say, I'm going to show you the money. Say, I'm not going to CKC. I school at CKC. I study at CKC. I'm a student of CKC. Or I go to CKC. That's all. How do you share? Where are you schooling? Bad English. Are you schooling here? Yeah, bad English. Yeah, on the from today, know it.